How to send a gift through Amazon internationally 2026 step by step. Sending gifts internationally through Amazon in 2026 is easier than most people think, but many get it wrong, which can lead to extra fees or delayed delivery. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Make sure the item you want to send is eligible for international shipping. You can filter products by ships to country on Amazon. Most people skip this step and end up with items that can't be shipped. Step 2. Add the item to your cart, then proceeds to checkout. You'll need to enter the recipient's full international address. Accuracy is key. Postal codes, apartment numbers, and country codes must be correct to avoid delays. Step 3. Choose this as a gift at checkout. You can add a personal message and choose gift wrapping if available. You won't believe what happens next. Amazon can automatically calculate import fees and customs duties for certain countries, so you can pay upfront and avoid surprises. Step 4. Review shipping options. International delivery times vary, so select express shipping if you need it quickly. Amazon will provide estimated delivery dates. Step 5. Complete payment. You can track the gift shipment through your Amazon account, and in some regions, the recipient may receive notifications about the delivery. The surprising truth is that sending a gift internationally isn't complicated, but skipping address verification or ignoring customs fees can cause serious headaches. By following these steps, your gift will arrive safely, on time, and stress-free.